Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off auto renew on Crunchyroll using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the settings app on your phone. Now tap on your name at the top of your screen. This opens your Apple ID settings. Next, tap on subscriptions. Here you will see a list of all active subscription linked to your Apple ID. Scroll down and find Crunchyroll. Tap on it. Now you will see your Crunchyroll membership details. To turn off auto renew, tap cancel subscription. Apple will ask you to confirm. Tap confirm. Even though it says cancel, this doesn't remove your access right away. It simply turns auto renew off. You can continue watching Crunchyroll until the end of your current billing period. To make sure auto renew is off, check the status. It should say expires instead of renews. Now if you don't see Crunchyroll in your Apple subscription list, this means your subscription directly on the Crunchyroll website. In that case, open Safari, go to crunchyroll.com, sign into your account, tap on the profile icon, go to account settings, select membership, turn off auto renew or cancel the membership. Once auto renew is off, you won't be charged again, and that's it. That's how to turn off auto renew on Crunchyroll using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.